Hello everybody. Let's try to write equations of lines. Okay, so let's try some problems from Excel. Okay. Okay, so let's try this problem. A line's y-intercept is -8 and its slope is 1/8. What is the equation in slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form is what? Y equals mx plus b. Okay, so b is the y-intercept where the graph touches the y-axis exactly at what number, what point. Okay, so y-intercept is -8, so plus -8, or instead of plus negative you can just say -8. Okay, so now x and y, leave it intact. As I told you before, just take out m, which is the slope, and replace it with the actual number for the slope, which is 1/8. Leave a space, and excellent job. Okay, in here you have a point and you have the slope is 1. What is the equation in slope-intercept form? So y equals mx plus b, but you do not have b, which is the y-intercept. You were given this to replace x and y. So you can use, in that case, the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m multiplied by x minus x1. Okay, but they are asking about slope-intercept form. Why do we use point slope form? We're gonna replace it. It will be easier, as you will see. Okay, so instead of x1, y1, we're gonna replace it with whatever we have in here for x and y. Each point has x and y. Okay, so instead of y1, we can put what number? -4. So minus -4 just turns to +4. Okay, and the x1 is -9. So instead of minus -9, that turns to plus. All right, 9. All right, and this slope is 1. Okay, so you can replace it with 1. Okay, so now when you multiply 1 times whatever number, stays that number. So I can just take out the 1, and now I have y plus 4 equals x plus 9, but we need to have it in slope-intercept form, right? So you need to have y by itself on one side. So you need to get rid of +4. How do you get rid of +4? Minus 4 from both sides. Okay, so minus 4 from here, from this side, and from this side. +4 minus 4 cancel each other's out. So now you have y by itself. But you see like terms. 9 minus 4 was 9 minus 4, +5. So, all right. Okay, here is exact same thing. You need to write it in slope-intercept form. So let's try by y minus y1, all right, equals m, and then x minus x1. Okay, why do we do this? Because it will be easier. Instead of using the formula, find the slope and find y-intercept and then write the equation, we can use point slope form, and then from there we can just solve for y. Okay. Good job. So x1, y1, which point do we choose? Actually the choice is yours. You can choose 10, 6, or you can choose 8, 6. Okay, I may choose the second one. All right, y, you can choose the first one. The choice is yours. All right, so instead of y1, we're gonna just put number 6, And instead of x1, we're going to put number 8. All right, and then now remember, you need to replace m with a number. How do you get the m, the slope? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or you can say, okay, y minus y over x minus x. Each point has x and y, right? So y minus y over x minus x, okay? So 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 over whatever number is just 0, right? So 0 multiplied by whatever number is 0. So in here, you get just a 0. And then now how do you get rid of negative 6? You add 6. You add 6 to both sides. So you have positive 6 in here, and you have 6 in here, and that was the answer. All right. Let's go to one more problem before we all right, so you need to write it in a slope-intercept form. Again, you can write it y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1, and you solve. Let's see if we can go to, we cannot. Okay, so y minus y1 equals m multiplied by x minus x1, okay? So this point is x and y. We're gonna take y1 and put 12, and we're gonna take x1 and put 17. All right, so and the slope is 1, so we can just put 1 in here, and 1 multiplied by x minus 17, you just get x minus 17. Okay, how do you get rid of, you need to solve it, you need to write it in a slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, right? So you add 17 to both sides. I'm sorry, you add 12 to both sides. That's how you get rid of negative 12. So you just add 12. So now you don't have it anymore. And then now you combine like terms. What's a negative 17 plus 12 is just negative 5. And excellent job. All right. Please keep practicing, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.